I'm studying 7th class A section. Today my topic is temperature mapping board. To design and implement a temperature monitoring system using an Arduino UNO and a DHT11 sensor that measures the surroundings temperature and displays the readings on the serial monitor or an LCD display if used. My friend tells next topic.
Hi everyone, my name is Divana. I am studying 7th class B section. My topic is temperature mapping board. Components Arduino Uno board, DH11 temperature sensor, display with I2C, jumper cables, breadboard, LED, buzzer. My friend tells next topic.
My name is Katija. I am studying 7th class B section in ZPHS Travela. Today, my project name is Temperature Mapping Board. In at a lab calendar on June month. Working principle the DHT11 sensor measures the surroundings temperature and humidity. It sends the measured data digital to the Arduino Uno through a single data pin. All thank you.
Output of this project: normal temperature has green light on and the heavy temperature has buzzer and red light on. Thank you all.